Well, I don't know about you, but I drink a lot of coffee, and I'm sure others in my life would say, "Hey, Julie, why don't you use one of those Listerine Chew Liquid tablets?" Hi, everyone. I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the summer quarter for the Walmart beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so this is my fun little throw money to the wind, see what comes back at me box, otherwise known as the puzzle box, because it sounds like a puzzle. And I just found out this has gone up in price. It used to cost $5 and now is a whopping $6.98. We'll just say $7. So we will determine if I keep this box, because when it was $5, like the value was like 20 bucks, so it was but at 7 we shall see. All right, let's dive in and see what Walmart has to offer. This is what the inside looks like. We do get a card. There are, or have been in the past, a couple of iterations. You may or may not receive all of the products. Usually there's 5 to 7 items. Let's see what the first item is. What is this? We have something from Suave. It is new, and it is the Suave Pink 3-step hair regimen. You get a shampoo, conditioner, and a smoothing cream. And the full size is $4.98 each. All right, well, that's cool that you get all 3 steps. I've had boxes where you get like step 2 and a 3-step regimen, which is never fun because I know they're trying to get you to buy the other steps. All right, next item. What is this? All right, oh, okay. This is from Listerine, and they are Ready tabs. Chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds, and it comes in clean mint. Well, I don't know about you, but I drink a lot of coffee, and I'm sure others in my life would say, "Hey, Julie, why don't you use one of those Listerine Chew Liquid tablets?" What do these retail for? Okay, full size is $5.97. That's an interesting product to receive in a beauty box, but you know, we all need fresh breath. All right, next item. What is this? Ooh, I see the word NYX. This is Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Ooh, and it's a radiant perfecting primer. Is this full size or sample? I don't know. You tell me. Could be full size. See what the little booklet has to say. Okay, so this is the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Radiant Primer, and it is full size, which retails for $14. And this is 1 fluid ounce. That looks smaller than what 1 fluid ounce normally looks like. But okay. Next item. What is this? All right, this is from Dollar Shave Club, and it is the Dollar Shave Club Shave Butter, and it's full size and retails for $6.97. Interesting. I always thought that the Dollar Shave Club was one of those online subscription services. So apparently Walmart is now carrying that brand. All right, next item we have from Cetaphil, and this is Sheer Mineral Sunscreen in SPF 50. The full size retails for $14.49 for 3 ounces. We have here a 10 milliliter sample. I love a good sunscreen. You should wear one every day, even if you don't leave the house. Okay, it comes safety sealed, which is good because I have numerous going at the moment. All right, last item, also from Cetaphil, we have Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. The full size retails for $7.94 for a 6-ounce tube, and we received, again, a 10 milliliter sample. All right, well, let's recap what we got. So we got 2 full-size products. We got from Dollar Shave Club shave butter. We got from NYX a Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa primer. We got 2 little samples from Cetaphil, a daily exfoliating scrub and a 50 SPF sunscreen. We got from Listerine some solid to liquid mouthwash chewables, and from Suave a 3-step regimen for your hair. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list on the screen the grand total of the box value, and we shall see if this is worth $7. I think it's really cute. Let me know down below if you've ever used Suave products. I remember when I was in high school, in college, Suave products were so much cheaper than any other hair care products, and they always smelled really good. I haven't used Suave in ages, so it'll be fun to give that a try for nostalgia's sake. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. And don't forget, I have a 500 subscriber giveaway. Click the link above, go follow the instructions, and I wish you the best of luck if you decide to do so. See that guy right there? Looks like this. I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. I'm really trying to get my channel to grow. All right. Thank you all for stopping by. See you next time.